To load sounds onto the MPC Samples pads is very straightforward. Select a pad, followed by Sample Select, which will take you straight to the internal factory library, which is listed in folders by sample type. Here, you can access everything from drum one-shots, melodic loops to 808 claps and snares. Once you're in the folder and you've found the sound, push down on the encoder to load to the selected pad. You can also navigate back to a different folder, then find another sound, hit the pad, and then push down on the encoder to load. You can also access your own sounds using the micro SD card by pressing external. This will take you into your own personal library where you can go into your folder, press a pad, and push down on the encoder to load all of your own samples. Now, to copy a sample to another pad, press the sample and then hold down Shift and the copy button and then press the pad for its destination. This will now copy the sample to another pad. Now you can also erase the sample by just holding the erase button and hitting the pad. Now to save a sample, hold down Shift and press Sample Select. And now here you can use the encoder to rename your sample and then save it to the internal or to the external destination and just press Do It. And now you've saved your own sample.